Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we've got McDonald's mukbang. So guys, I'm starving. It's legit 5 o'clock and your girl is starving. Like, I'm not gonna do much talking, guys. I'm just gonna eat. I just came back from food shopping. It's hot, I'm dying. Coke's gone warm. So I got fries, chicken legend, cool mayo, and a cheeseburger. I'm so hungry. Why do they always make it so floppy? Like, again, not much sauce. Like, what are they like doing? Mmm. Mmm. Starving. I've got ketchup here. This was steaming in the bag, but we had the aircon on, so it's gone cold. Oh well, still good. How's everyone? What's everyone been up to? I got Coke Zero. It's so much better than Diet Coke. Who's tried Coke Zero? I think everyone's tried it, but it's so much better than Coke Zero. I mean, that Coke. I just put the shopping away. Food shopping, by the way. Outside is so hot, like 38 degrees. It's just so hot. So imagine doing shopping, putting the shopping away and stuff like that. Oh. Like, the worst part is when you're carrying the shopping in. I hate that part. It's just not nice. And when we was bringing the shopping in, we bought double cream because we got like a cake and stuff. And I like double cream with my chocolate cake, but it all popped, like it popped everywhere, and I managed to save like half of it. Not even half, like that much. Oh well. Don't you find that when you wear jeans, like personally when I wear jeans, you know, obviously they're a little bit tight when you're sitting down. Because they're like a little bit tight when you're sitting down and you're eating, you just feel uncomfortable. It feels like you're getting more fuller quick. Like, I haven't even barely eaten. I'm feeling like so full. It's because of the jeans, I know it. I think I'm going to take them off, guys, because I'm just not comfortable. This is why I do not wear jeans when I go to like meals and stuff, because We need some space, you know. We want to eat good. I'm going to be right back. I'm going to just take my jeans off and I'll be right back. I feel so much better. So much better. It's crazy how taking a jean off, like your jeans off, you can feel so much better. Have you tried the other flavours? There's a cool mayo. This is the cool mayo. Barbecue sauce, they do... What's that one? It says it on the box. Hot and spicy. Have you tried any of those flavours? I've tried barbecue because my sister got it before and I just tried it from hers. But the hot and spicy, I haven't tried it, but I'm guessing it's like, it tastes the same as the spicy snack wrap you get, because that has the spicy mayo in it, which by the way is not spicy at all. I like this bread, you know. Just gonna tip it. And normally I don't get 2 burgers. But I haven't eaten nothing today. And I'm not going to be eating anything else, so I thought, why not just get a cheeseburger on top of this? Why not? I swear, chicken on that is like the best thing ever. It really is. It's so good. Do you guys have a chicken legend where you're from? Oh my god, it's so bomb. I really should be eating this because I've got like a couple of weddings coming up. Gonna be going to a couple of weddings, like 2 next month, which is August. I'm not wedding ready. Oh, I hate it. Little fun fact that you guys don't know. I hate wearing dresses. I really, really hate it. Like, I hate it so much, and I feel like I can't wear like trousers to a wedding because that's just like wrong. Like, I don't know, I feel like it's just wrong. So yeah, like I hate wearing dresses, like with a passion. I feel like I don't look good in dresses. I hate it. I'm more of a trousers, like leggings, jeans kind of girl. Look how juicy this cheeseburger is. This is why I eat around my burger, guys, because the middle is always the best part. So imagine you're eating your burger, yeah, hum hum hum. So imagine, yeah, you're eating it, you're going like straight in the middle and everything. What have you got left at the end? Bread. That's the worst part. Like, the end is the worst part of the burger, I personally think, because all the good stuff is in the middle. Like, so this is why I eat around the burger and then I'm left with like the middle bit, which is the best part, the juiciest part. Look at that. Oh my god. That's a party in my mouth. So good. So yeah, I have to get a dress. Oh gosh, I hate it. I hate dress shopping. And I buy all the dresses online. I hate like trying on clothes, guys, like in the shops. So I'll just like order like a couple of dresses and just try it at home and then send it back. I know it's time consuming and annoying because you have to keep going post service. But I love weddings. Like, don't get me wrong, I love going to weddings. Like, especially like the food part is my favourite part, but but yeah, it's another Turkish wedding. My cousin, oh my god. My cousin's getting married. So I love Turkish weddings. I'm gonna do like I'm gonna record it on my phone at the food and stuff like that, and at the entrance, stuff like that. So my Instagram is always linked down below in the description. Go follow me. This is gonna be my last bite. This chicken here, like the chicken itself, can literally beat KFC's chicken burgers. It's just the flavour of this chicken is so good. Oh, it's just so good. But anyways, last bite, guys. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!